One thing that's super exciting about this project is this is the first project where a module has controlled the means of production all the way through the project. So we're the general contractor, we are a factory, so we've designed and engineered this thing, we built it in our factory, and then we prepared the site and we're finishing the homes after they're delivered. So this is gonna be a huge milestone for us, and we're super pumped.
Marquise and the build team did a really good job was getting everything underground, backfill, all that before we set the boxes. So what that does is it makes it so much quicker and easier to be able to get roofing, siding, all that mobilized. I actually have a roofer coming today to get that taken care of. So it's all got to work together, and it seems like it's really happening.